G2P-Sol, of course I know G2P-Sol. We benefit a lot from it. As you may know, my family comes from Central America. Most of us still live there.
We do. My grand-grandpa was shipped here from overseas by the Spanish.
Asian. We are from Asia.
Anyhow, life is fine here in Europe, and people choose to grow us a lot.
They rely on us. Without us, they would starve like once in Ireland.
They grow us and they eat us and they need us. And here's the point. Pests and diseases.
We're a vulnerable breed. Pests and pathogens are dangerous to us. They can kill us. You know, most of our relatives here in Europe work in the food industry. They are all more or less the same. I mean, genetically.
Back at home, there was always a strong cousin or a brother nearby that was resistant. But here in Europe...
No way! Here you cannot rely on the family.
Imagine, I have cousins in South America that still live in the mountains. They haven't even been domesticated. Of course, these guys are not very useful for food production, but strong and resistant.
And think about the climate. I mean the raining, the sun. It's becoming more extreme every year. That's tough to us.
We need offspring that can get along with all these challenges. Time to breed.
Try to find the right partner today.
Maybe from a catalog.
Of course, there are these seed banks, and some collections are even online and with the pictures. But in fact, they're quite superficial.
So true. From time to time, you can find a pepper that is really hot. But what about the inner values?
They count much more when we talk about healthy offspring. You know, it's not just look or taste. It's survival, stable production, food security for billions of people.
Fortunatamente, we have G2P-Sol.
The EU Horizon 2020 program funded it. G2P-Sol will provide an amazing new online library that really helps to find the right partner.
They not only just make the fancy Latin name and the picture, no, signor. They get to know you. They take the time, they sequence the DNA, they specify the genes so you really know what's inside the variety. I mean, it's inner values, you know? It's the genes responsible for favorable traits, you know?
You know what you get, genetically. No more experiments, no more disappointments. It's much easier to find the right partner.
The G2P-Sol collection is a big leap forward in the food security. Breeding becomes more predictable and more efficient.
So, time to breed some strong bambini for the future.